Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at woonetwork. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of their Woo token, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. woonetwork was co-founded in 2019 by Jack Tan and Mark Pimentel and was incubated by the Kronos Research trading firm. The team behind woonetwork consists of engineers, entrepreneurs, technologists, and quantitative traders who have experience in developing fintech and trading solutions. This exchange offers a centralized exchange, a suite of DeFi products, and a native utility token that is used to reward users through zero-fee trading and rebates. woonetwork is partnered with Binance, Polygon, Cardano, Algorand, Kucoin, Crypto.com, and several other leading exchanges, and connects them with traders and institutions to enable deep liquidity, low-cost trading, and superior order execution. The woonetwork exchange can be used for leveraged futures trading, spot trading, and margin trading. There are currently more than 90 cryptocurrencies and over 100 trading pairs. To view the instruments you can trade on woonetwork, launch the homepage and click on the Trade on WooX button. You can either browse the available instruments or use the search bar to find specific instruments. The woonetwork mobile application can be used to trade spot markets and futures and is a zero-fee, beginner-friendly platform. This application makes it easy to stake tokens, and you can earn cash rebates by trading on the mobile application. Using their mobile app, you can leverage your futures and easily adjust the margin levels. Futures can be leveraged up to 20 times the initial amount. The app also has a built-in reward system, and you can earn daily rewards by staking Woo tokens. You can use this app to easily manage your risks, monitor your portfolio, access spot markets, and earn rewards. woonetwork also offers a centralized exchange called WooX. With this exchange, you can customize your workspace using different modules and enjoy cost-free crypto trading. The WooX exchange is suitable for retail, professional, and institutional trading. The GUI comes with a range of drag-and-drop widgets that can be used to customize the interface, but you can also use the standard layout or the professional layout if you prefer. woonetwork also offers a decentralized platform called WooFi. The DeFi platform can be used for cross-chain transfers to the Phantom, Polygon, and Binance blockchains, and it can also be used to stake over a dozen tokens. WooFi uses a unique market-making algorithm called Synthetic Proactive Market Making, or SPMM, which makes it possible for the woonetwork to offer tight spreads and low prices with high on-chain liquidity. WooFi Earn uses auto-compounding vaults on the Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, and Phantom, which makes it possible to automatically invest and reinvest tokens and earn higher yields. woonetwork is currently connected to 3 bridges and can be used for cross-chain transfers to Avalanche, Phantom, and the Binance Smart Chain. The Woo token is native to the woonetwork, and it is a utility token that has been integrated into both the DeFi and CeFi ecosystems. This token provides staking rewards, free discounts, voting rights, and referral bonuses. By staking at least 1,800 Woo tokens, your fees will drop to 0, and you will get free withdrawals. If you stake your tokens, you will receive X Woo tokens in exchange for staking Woo tokens. WooFi swap fees are used to buy back Woo tokens daily and are distributed to the staking pool. When the XWoo is unstaked, it will be burned to redeem the staked tokens, and staking rewards will be included. Additionally, a monthly reward of 100,000 Woo is distributed across all blockchains to Woo stakers. To find out more information about the Woo token, launch the homepage and click on the Woo token tab. You can buy Woo tokens directly from the WooX exchange, but you can also buy Woo from CoinGecko, Etherscan, or CoinMarketCap. There is currently no proprietary woonetwork wallet. However, we recommend using Core Wallet, MetaMask, or Wallet Connect. Core Wallet is a Web3 command center for Avalanche, and it is a free, non-custodial browser extension for Avalanche decentralized applications, non-fungible tokens, bridges, and subnets. This wallet has a bridge, a swap, a collectibles NFT gallery, a portfolio viewer, and more. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. Wallet Connect is a Web3 communications protocol that connects wallets and decentralized applications and allows them to interact. More than 170 wallets are supported by Wallet Connect, and it can connect over 450 applications. This wallet is built for DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized autonomous organizations. All you need to do is create an account, click on the Connect Wallet button, and link your wallet to your Woo network account. You can easily use the Woo network platform and exchanges by following a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Woo network homepage, and then click on the Trade on WooX button. You will be redirected to the WooX exchange. Next, click on the Register Now button. Submit your nationality and country of residence, and then fill in your account details. Be sure to choose a strong password for your account, and if you have a referral code, be sure to enter it into the designated field provided. After your account has been set up, submit any necessary required documentation, and once your account is verified and approved, you can fund your account and start trading. Woo Network uses the Ramp payment widget to enable fiat to crypto payments. With Ramp, you can make payments using Apple Pay, bank transfers, FPS, and Revolut. Ramp is trusted by more than 400 fintech companies, including Trust Wallet, Ledger, and Axie Infinity. The Woo Network support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can request a callback directly from the website if you would like to speak to one of their consultants. We recommend visiting the support center and reading through the FAQs to access user guides and helpful articles about managing your accounts, using the platform and exchanges, and trading on the Woo Network. So, what do we like about Woo Network? By signing up with Woo Network, you will have access to a low-cost centralized exchange, as well as a decentralized exchange with cross-chain compatibility. Woo Network connects dozens of leading exchanges with millions of investors and traders from all around the world. And it is one of the only crypto exchanges that offers trading with zero fees. woonetwork caters to retail traders, institutional investors, and professionals. The woox exchange is beginner-friendly, however, it is fully customizable with advanced level widgets. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account with woonetwork today for access to some of the lowest trading fees and possibly the best order execution in the industry. And that is our overview of woonetwork. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.